Hi, it's Nina. Well, hello and welcome again on Now I Know channel. And today's video we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram Reels not showing. So let's get started. Well, first thing you want to do is to make sure that your app is updated. So go to Play Store and type in Instagram. So here if it says update, then you have to update your app. But if it says open, then you already have the latest version. In case the update doesn't work, then you have to clear app cache. So move to settings, then scroll down till you get to apps. Now tap on manage apps and scroll down till you get to Instagram. Now tap on clear data. After that, tap on clear cache. Another thing that you can do is to install and reinstall the app. Now, in case none of these things work, then you have to report a problem to Instagram. So move to Instagram. Then tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the hamburger icon top right. Choose settings. Tap on help. Now tap on report a problem. And write down your problem. For example, my Instagram Reels is not showing. Now tap on send. And this is it. This is how to fix Instagram Reels not showing. Thanks for watching. See ya.